name is Brooke Boatman and I am a project manager on the Innovation Center's drone performance team. We are at Silver Creek High School where we are flying a drone show for the LiftED conference, an event that showcases both leadership and innovation in education. As a team at the Innovation Center, we are especially excited to be a part of the LiftED conference because it represents exactly who we are, both creatively, collaboratively, and pushing what's possible in education. We hope you enjoy the show.